So today, I'm gonna be reviewing this makeup artist backpack from Donna B. This is the REINE 2-in-1 first edition makeup bag. 2-in-1 siya kasi you could carry it in two different ways. So like so, or as a normal backpack. This backpack retails for 1,999 pesos, which is a really good steal considering na sobrang dami niyang compartments and ang dami mong malalagay na makeup items. So, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa backpack na to is this front pocket right here. So, this is where I keep my handheld mirror. Yan. And I also keep this lash glue in there just in case na impake ko na yung bag and then I need to reattach someone's strip lash, I could just easily take the glue from this pocket. Ito yung layout ng bag inside. Meron siyang two major sections. This is the mesh part. And then, if you flip this thing in the middle, and dito yung mga clear pouches. So, lahat ng pouch na yan, kasama na yan dun sa bag. And then here, meron ditong for the brushes, I think. So, let's focus first dito sa mesh part. Dito nakalagay yung mga hair tools ko and then yung mga palettes na masyadong malaki at hindi kasya sa mga pouch. So, first, itong mga mesh pockets na to and mesh compartments na to, built-in sila sa bag. So, they're not detachable. Unlike yung mga pouch, they're detachable. So, ayan. Itong pinakamalaking pocket right here, this is where I house my hair products. Ito, hairspray, heat protector, mousse or foam for the hair. This clear pouch. Kasama din siya sa bag. Andito yung mga bobby pins, mga hair clips, elastics. So, ayan. Andito yung mga hair accessories. And then a brush. So, ayun. One con sa bag na to, madaming loose threads, as you can see. When I first got it, sobrang mas madami pa yan. Ginupit ko lang yung iba. And then, ayan, meron na naman ulit mga natatastas. So, dito naman sa mesh pocket na to, this is where I keep my falsies, my false eyelashes. I also have an eyelash curler here. And then mga tools. So, I need this to trim the lashes or cut whatever. So, this is where I keep my palettes. So, ayan, this is an eyeshadow palette from Makeup Forever. Yan, blush palette from NYX, contour palette from BH Cosmetics, and an eyebrow palette from BH Cosmetics again. As you can see, hindi siya masyadong madami. I just keep what I actually need. Here, meron tayong isang mas malaking mesh pocket in here. Dito ko nilalagay itong Curly Bible palette. This is so good for brides. So, andito na lahat ng mga warm, neutral tones. And then, meron ding mga cool tones right there. These are highlighters. So, ginagamit ko yan all the time. I also have a mixing palette right here. As you can see, madumi siya. I just used it. Hindi ko pa siya nalilinis ulit. Alcohol, very important. And then, the hair tools, I just keep there. So, curling wand. And then, a straightening iron. Meron pa actually pocket dito where you could put stuff. Pero hindi ko na siya nilalagyan ng anything kasi it's not very accessible when you're at a gig and then nagmamadali ka to find everything. You just have to have everything in front of you. Hindi yung kung san-san mo pa hahanapin, like in this pocket right here. Moving on, dito naman tayo sa kabilang section kung saan nandyan yung mga pouch. So here, this is for the brushes, although I don't use it kasi I have my own brush belt. As you can see, may mga stains na yung bag. Sabi it's easy to clean, but medyo nahirapan ako tanggalin yung stains. Besides, I have been using this bag for almost a year na. Ginagamit ko na siya since August 2018. And, yeah. This bag came with 4 smaller pouches, itong mga to, and naka-velcro sila. So, you could take them out. As you can see, naka-velcro. And then you could put them back. And then, 4 of these pouches, bigger pouches, shaped like a cylinder. So, ayun, pabilog siya. Naalala niyo yung mga pencil case ng mga bata pa tayo. Parang ganun. So, this is my brush belt. Hindi siya kasama sa bag na to. So, let's put it aside. I also have this organizer that I bought separately. Hindi rin siya kasama sa bag. Andito lang yung mga Q-tips, lash glue, disposable sponges, and then mga disposable eyelash wands. So, yan. And, yan, may cellar water, cotton pads, alcohol ulit. Sobrang daming alcohol. So, like I said, 4 tong mga cylinder-shaped pouches. Pero, the other 2 I used for something else. So, this first one, andito yung mga, tawag dito, yung mga foundation. So, ito yung mga favorite ko. So, yan. Dito naman sa pouch na to is where I keep all of my skincare products. So, first is this rose water toner from Mario Badescu. And then, this is just the basic emollient cream that I use as my moisturizer. Tapos, I have a few different primers here. Depende sa skin ng client. So, this is one of my favorite. This is from Rimmel. And then, of course, the NYX Angel Veil. I also have the MAC Strobe Cream in Pink Light and the MAC Oil Control Lotion. Tip, guys, if you want to get these items, buy them in the travel size kasi mas makakatipid kayo than the full size. Mas mura siya per fluid ounce. And lastly, to set the makeup, I have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. This is sobrang gamit na gamit, as you can see. So, dito naman tayo sa 4 na pouch na to. By the way, an advantage with this bag, hindi mo sila kailangang tanggalin. When you're doing makeup, you could just work in this bag. Like, just lay it flat sa surface or wherever. And then you could just work in it. Hindi kagaya ng iba na kailangan mo pang ilabas yung mga gamit. First is this concealer pouch. Nandito lahat ng concealers ko, creams and liquids. First is this NYX Concealer Correct and Contour Palette. Really handy. Ginagamit ko rin siya pang mix ng foundation, as you can see. I also have 2 concealer palettes from Makeup Forever. So, one for lighter skin and one for darker skin. So, I also have a bunch of Clinique concealers kapag kailangan ko ng something lightweight or kapag medyo mature na yung under eye ng client. And sa Maybelline Fit Me, sobrang favorite ko to. Ito yung pinakamadalas kong gamitin. Something from BH Cosmetics. I use this mostly as an eye base. Something from NYX. This is the Benefit Erase Paste. I also like to use this as an eye base. Moving on sa mga powders. So, yeah, just random powders. Mga pressed powders, bronzers, blush, whatever. So, this is the Bahama Mama Bronzer. I have 2 blushes here. Something from Maybelline and from Sleek. I also have the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, yan, in Sandstone. And this is a powder from BH Cosmetics. Medyo nag-fade na siya. Sobrang gusto ko to. I already hit pan on this, as you can see. So, yan. And I also have 2 of the NYX Hydra Touch Foundation. I have it in the shade Sable and Honey. So, ito yung shade na Honey. Actually, multi-purpose tong mga powder foundation na to kasi I also use them as bronzer. And Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I can't live without this. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Yung ibang highlighters kasi hindi forgiving sa mga mature skin or sa mga may texture. But this one, I will still go for this kasi this is very forgiving sa skin. See that shine? It looks wet. Pero hindi niya ina-emphasize yung texture. Ito naman yung pouch for the eye products. I have some random mascaras here. Lahat yan waterproof. Mga eyebrow gels. Eyelash curler again. This is a gel eyeliner from L'Oreal. This is an eye base from NYX. What else? Just a bunch of eyeliners. Sharpener and, lash applicator. Last pouch, I just have my lip products. So just a bunch of lip liners from Ilamasca, I think, and from Essence. And ito yung mga favorite lipsticks ko. Pinakamadalas ko gamitin is this one from BLK Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Refined. Sobrang gusto ko yan. I also love this liquid lipstick from The Balm. It's in the shade Trustworthy. This one from Catrice. It's the Ultimate Matte in the shade... What's the shade of it? In the shade 090. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Yan yung mga pinaka most used na lipsticks ko. The thing about these pouches, they're great for organizing, pero hindi ganun katiba yung zipper nila. Tatlo dito, sira na yung zipper. They're all busted. That's why nakabukas sila. Itong isa na lang na to yung nasasara ko na zipper. But these ones, hindi na. This is what happens when I try to close it. See? Yan. Busted na yung zippers nila. But hopefully yung sa mga newer edition, kasi this one is the first edition one, hopefully yung mga newer edition, mas okay na yung zipper. But ito nga, hindi masyadong okay yung zipper nitong nakuha ko na bag. I don't know if it's just mine and okay naman yung iba. I even asked the owner, I don't know if I talked to the owner or a representative of her, if they sell refills or replacements for this. Kasi they have this type pero I'm not sure if may Velcro. Hopefully, pwede bumili ng yung ano lang, yung mga ganito lang. So, that's it for the review. So far, I love this bag so much. Hindi ko naman to kinikarry. Hindi ko siya kayang bitbitin alone. I put it in a hand carry luggage. It made my life so much easier as a freelance makeup artist. And yeah, that's it for the review. Thank you so much for watching. I have to clean all of my brushes and I have to reorganize this kit. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye!